Okay, today is the day. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna share with you guys a nice profitable strategy that you can apply right now or today, whatever, or today after tomorrow, I don't care. But the strategy I'm gonna tell you is profitable, but you're gonna apply your own effort to make it even more profitable or to make it profitable as well, because I can teach you guys the holy grail. But if you don't apply a little bit of effort in it, you can mess up even that. Okay? Anyway, let's go straight to the point, because I hate when you go onto YouTube and you click a trading video and there is a guy talking and talking and talking and talking about nothing. About nothing for hours. I don't like that. I'm gonna do everything as quick as I can. So, what is the strategy? The strategy is based on the London Open. Not exactly the London Open, the hour before the London Open. Okay? Don't worry, it's not that type of breakout strategy. It's not the London breakout. It's nothing like that. Just follow me 1 second and I will explain that to you very clearly. So, this is today, 7 December 2018, and today we don't have a signal. But yesterday, yesterday, 6 December 2018, we had a nice signal. You might ask, what is the signal, Jay? Come on, tell us, what is the signal? The signal is this. Okay, thank you very much, guys. It's been a pleasure, and see you in the next video. Bye. No, I'm joking. Okay, basically what we are looking for is the 8 o'clock candle. Okay, 8 o'clock candle, and we are using London UTC time. Okay, so 8 o'clock candle. What is so important about the 8 o'clock candle? Well, we're gonna apply the 8 o'clock candle onto the 7 o'clock candle. Okay, we have 2 steps to follow. Step 1, 8 o'clock candle and 7 o'clock candle, 7 o'clock candle and 8 o'clock candle have to be the opposite color. So, 7 o'clock candle is bearish, 8 o'clock candle must be bullish, and vice versa. Second step, the 8 o'clock candle must break below the 7 o'clock candle, in this case, and vice versa. If this 8 o'clock candle is a bearish candle, it must break above the 7 o'clock candle. Okay? With the wicks, the shadow, or whatever you want to call it, okay? But this is very important for us, okay? It must break below in the case it's a bullish candle, it must break above in the case it's a bearish candle. Okay, this is step 1 and step 2. Okay, that's it. The strategy is based on this pattern. It's not so complicated. In this case, 6 December 2018, 7 o'clock candle closes bearish, 8 o'clock candle closes bullish. It doesn't only close bullish, it closes bullish, breaking above the previous candle, breaking below the previous candle, sorry. This suggests there might be somebody, there might be a stop hunt, there might be a fake out, there might be somebody that wanted to have a cheaper price to buy. There might be a lot of things going on. But what all brings to us, everything brings to the idea that probably somebody is interested in the price going upward. And in this case, we open a long position at the very close of the 8 o'clock candle. We open a long position, and here comes the actual difficulty of this strategy. The take profit and the stop loss. There are two ways, even actually 4 ways, but 2 main ways to trade the stop loss or the take profit. We can have a 20 pips take profit and a 20 pips stop loss, or we can have a 100 pips take profit and a 100 pips stop loss. Okay, you might say, Jay, come on, 100 pips is a lot. Indeed, that's what we want. We want the stop loss to be as well as possible, so we allow the price to move however we want, and we're going to close the position either at the close of the London session or at the close of the trading day. At your trading day. Can be 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, whenever you want. So in the case of yesterday, we would have closed the trade at 8 o'clock, let's say. It would have been at 45 pips. That's it. That's the strategy. That's very simple. It's a very nice, simple strategy. You have to apply a lot of filters. You're going to backtest this because I'm handling it to you. But I'm not going to say everything I have to say about this, okay? And actually, I don't have a lot to say about this. It's a very simple strategy. You can apply every filters you want. You can apply all the options you want. You can use the take profit you want. You can use the stop loss you want. Why am I sharing this strategy? First of all, because I don't care about it anymore. I don't trade manually anymore. I have my expert advisors doing the work for me. But I'm sharing this strategy to the community. I'm going to share this on Forex Factory as well. I'm going to make a thread on Forex Factory as well. Why? Because I want to see what people have to offer, meaning that their ideas. What is the best take profit for them? What is the best stop loss for them? What is the best time frame? What is the best? I'm giving to you a pattern. Okay, I'm giving to you a pattern in a specific hour of the day, and it does work only in this specific hour of the day. That's the pattern I'm going to give you. You feel free to share anything you want. Okay, if you're a coder, feel free to share an indicator. If you're a coder, feel free to share an expert advice, whatever. And just giving this to the community, and let's see what I get in return. Might be a better strategy, might be nothing. Okay, but if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, just wondering. Anyway, let me show you a few other examples, and let me show you why this. Sorry for my nice drawing here. Let me show you why this is not a trade that we want to trade. Basically, what I told you. Step 1, 2 opposite colors. What we have here, 7 o'clock candle is bearish, 8 o'clock candle is bearish. So no, even if it ended up in a profit, but whatever. That's a no. Oop. There we are. 7 o'clock candle, bearish. 8 o'clock candle, bullish. What we have here, we actually have a nice pin bar. This is the best type of 8 o'clock candle we can have. A nice break below the previous bearish candle, and a nice close above, with a nice body, a nice thick body. Okay. Enter at the close of the candle, 1 pips, so we can use 20 pips. 20 pips would have been a profit, or we can use 100 pips. 100 pips. In this case, we reach 100 pips. Guys, it's very, very very, very rare to reach 100 pips. Okay, it's very rare. In this case, we do. So this would have been a nice profit. That's it. Actually, the only problem with this strategy is that 100 people stop loss is a lot. Yeah, and unfortunately, it gets hit a lot of the times. Not a lot of the times. Otherwise, I would not share this strategy. But it does get hit sometimes. Okay, that's the only problem it has. So feel free to optimize the strategy. Feel free. But you might have a question, Jay. Can I use this strategy on every time frame I want? I'm sorry, on every chart, every pair I want? No. First of all, you cannot use this on every time frame you want. You can use this on the hourly time frame. Okay, the pattern is 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock UTC time. Nothing else. If you find something else, feel free to share it with the community. But where you can use this strategy, you can use it on the euro pairs. Okay, being this strategy based around the London Open, we want to use it on pairs based around the London Open. So the euro pairs or the pound pairs. Okay, it's that easy. If something is not clear, feel free to leave a comment down below. I will happily make another video explaining things further with maybe your questions. Feel free again to share your opinions, your optimizations. If you have any ideas, feel free to share it. And feel free even to subscribe if you want. That's just wondering. That's it. I don't want to dwell around this a lot often because I know your time is precious and I don't want to waste it. That's it. See you guys. Bye.